version. Okay, so you have here the symbols for your Dia dynamics. This will be discussed by Ms. Kathy, Dia dynamics. And then on the right side, the symbols on the right side, you have this for your ES or your electrical stimulation. So you have here triangular, rectangular pulse forms. The one below is for the surges. Okay, for the surges ni siya. And then you have the on and off switch, so off, on. And then followed by your pulse duration. So the drawing would tell you that this is the pulse duration. Below the pulse duration is the multiplier. So for example, you will set that at 2, then imo ning i-move ang imuhang multiplier to times 1, so that is 2 times 1. Okay, 2 times 1. So meaning your pulse duration is 2 milliseconds. If you will move that at 10, so that would be times 2, 20 milliseconds. So multiplier ni siya nasa ubos, guys. If you will move that to 0.01, so that would be 0.02 milliseconds. Then you have there your pulse interval. So remember that your pulse interval should at least be 2 to 3 times your pulse duration. But you can have more. Okay, you can have more. At least lang 2 to 3 times. So if you have 2 here, 20 here, okay, let's say 20 nakaset siya at 10. So 20 times 2 would be 40. So for example, na siya sa 40. Okay? And then you have the surges per minute. So mo lang na siyang i-adjust. Then followed by the display for your time. Then the adjustment for the time, that is to decrease, increase time. And then you have the current intensity display. Then the knob for the current intensity, so increase, then decrease. Then below, you will have the connection for the cable. And then this one would be for the polarity of your, if you would observe, connected siya sa red. So meaning you would have to choose the polarity of the red. If, for example, you want the red to be the active electrode, you would shift that to negative. Okay? If you want the red electrode to be the positive electrode or the anode, so imo lang na siya i-shift to the positive. Okay? Okay, guys?
Yes.
Okay, so basically the same. So can I i-on sa na to ha? Wait lang ha. Okay.
Raise my
If you on, before siya on, just make sure na 0 ka na.
Yes. Lalalusin na siya. Okay. So, again, for example, you will have 3 here. You muna siyang i-multiply. Minimum multiplier times 1, meaning 3 milliseconds. If times 10, 30 milliseconds. If times 100, 300 milliseconds. Okay? If times 0.01, so 0.03 milliseconds. Then, at least 2 to 3 times. Let's say, at the 3 naman ni siya, milliseconds. So, 3 times 2 would be
6.
so 6. Or you can have 10 or you can have 20. At least naman 2 to 3. Okay? Then, you will have the surges. So, ikaw na bahala. Then, the time. Okay? And then, the intensity. Okay? So, basically, kani siya nga machine, di siya mo alarm if may masayo. Okay? And then, nalam niyo siya tendency, sometimes if nakakonect na ni siya daan, ang imong cable, inig-on mo horizontal na yung mga display nila. Okay, mo error siya. But sometimes po, even if nakakonect ni siya ang cable, okay, it happen. Okay? Okay. Okay. So, can I have a patient?